Yes. So all the files in the folder is being divided or is being given a permission, and these permission are with three persons. First is the owner, second is the group, and third is the others. Means it could be user as well. So what does this mean? Let's see. Whenever you open any file, you will see like this. drwxrwxr hyphen x. This is known as the permission part. Okay. And along with that, you will get this part as well. But we'll just focus on to this one. Okay. As we can see. Hmm. The same thing is over here too. drwx hyphen xr hyphen x like this. Okay. So all three get what type of permission is having. They have the right to give the permission of read, write, and execute. Okay. So let's zoom it and see one by one. If I bring it down over here, are you there? I hope you are there.
Yes, Akash, I'm there. Like, there's a little bit noise from
Okay,
my
okay, no
roommates.
worries.
That's why I'm like muting myself.
No worries.
Yeah.
So the first part is known as the directory one. If D is written over here, it means directory. If hyphen is only there, it means a file. So if you see, you can see the D is written over here. It means this is a directory. D is written in front of it. Can I zoom it? Can't zoom it further. Okay. Hope this is visible, right?
Yeah.
So if let me just clear the screen. So D is in front of it means directory. So this A is a directory, and that's why it is D is written in front of it. These two are file, and that's why hyphen is in front of these two files. Okay. How to
Okay.
understand file and folder? That's the first part. Second
Yeah.
is RWX. R means read, W means write, X means execute. Okay. So first gets to the owner. The first part is owner having all the right. If it is RWX, it means owner is having all the right. Read, write, and execute. Second part is the group given to this one. So group is also, if it is written RWX, it means group is also having the right of read, write, and execute. And third part is for all the users. And it is, you can see only R and X is there. It means read and execute. Read and execute is there. Got it?
Yeah.
So in this way, if we see this one, the first three is for
Read,
first
write.
three.
Yeah.
Read, write, and X is for
Uh, what is X? Like, I didn't remember. What is it?
execute.
Okay.
Okay. The second part is R hyphen X. What does it mean?
R slash X.
First, this right is given to whom? Owner, group, or the user?
So the first one, RWX or R slash
R
X?
hyphen X. Hyphen.
Is it for group?
Yeah, that's for group.
Yeah.
So what permission group is having?
So
Only
it,
R and X, right?
yeah.
It means
Uh,
read and execute.
yeah.
The same goes with user also. Read and
Mm.
execute.
Mhm.
Got it?
Yeah, yeah.
Now tell me about this one. Owner is having what right?
This one,
Hmm?
owner, sorry, R owner, owner and group.
Yeah, owner is having what right?
RW,
Which means
read and write.
good. Group,
Group is R hyphen X.
only R is there, na?
Yeah, so
Like
R hyphen or
R hyphen hyphen, which means only R you can see, right?
yeah, yeah.
So only read is the
Mm-hmm.
permission that group is having. And for the
Mm.
user, other users,
Only read again.
only read. So if anyone apart from me, now how will you know who is the owner? Just do dollar USER user. So basically this AV829, he is the owner. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So only I have the right to read and write, not execute. Okay. If apart from me anyone else get the access of this one, then they won't be able to write anything in these two files. They can only read these two files.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Okay.
Now, if it is hyphen, you will know this is file and these are the same as usual. Got it?
Yeah.
Great. Now, there is a command to change the owner. If I am the owner and I want to give my rights to someone else, how will I do that? Like here is a Travis. Earlier, there was Ubuntu who was the owner. Now there is a Travis. So there is a command known as chown. Okay, but it is recommended not to use this one, not to change the owner. Okay,
Hmm.
like if I do chown, this one, whatever the owner you want to give, but the owner should be a legit one. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
chown, Travis, and the file name. So,
Mm-hmm.
for example, for now, I have only the right. If any other person, suppose you want to access this one, so what I will do, I will type sudo chown, then and what file you want need the access? Cloud. But in
Mm.
case of this one, if I'll press the enter, it will ask for the password. In your case, it won't ask. Now, what it is saying, Tanmi is the invalid user. Why? Because you are not registered over here. Once you will be registered with the Linux system, then only you will be a legit owner, legit user. Okay. Hmm. Any confusion? Any question?
No, no.
Okay. Then let's go. So this is how it is to be done. If Travis wants to give access to Travis Media, so what he will do? Colon and then Travis Media. The file will be given to the Travis Media too. Not recommended much. Okay. This is the important one. Chmod. Change the mode of any file. Now to know that one, you need to know this one rating. For read, the number is 4. For write, the number is 2. And for X, number is 1. So total how much? 7, right?
Yeah,
So if
seven.
anyone get the 7 access, 3 times 7, which means owner plus the user and plus the group, all of them having all the rights. If someone gets 6, so what right he'll be having?
Sorry, what is the
If
question?
the owner is having a number 6, then what are the rights he is having?
Uh, Number 6.
Hmm. So what kind of a right? Read, write, and execute. Out of 3, what rights he'll be having?
So I think he'll be having read.
Hmm.
and then write.
Correct. And if
Yeah.
he's having 3, then what right he'll be having?
Then read is 3, write will be
Hmm. Hmm.
3, and then execute will be 1.
No, 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 no. If the owner is having only 3, then
Mm.
will he be having the read access?
He won't be having, right? Is it minimum like
Yes,
4?
he right. Will he be
Yeah.
having write access
Uh, yeah.
and execute access?
Yeah.
Yes. 2 plus 1, 3 means these two are possible, right?
Yeah.
Mhm. Okay. So the same thing. First tell me, is it a file or is it a directory?
Yeah.
Is it a file or is it a directory?
It's a file actually.
Why?
Because like will if there is the slash in the front, it will be the file, right?
Not slash hyphen.
Yeah, hyphen.
Correct. Now you can see RW, this file is having RW.
Yeah.
What is the number of R?
It's 4,
4. And write
2.
2. So overall he is having 6, which
Yeah.
means 6664. If someone will ask you, yeah, if any file is having the permission 664, what does that mean? So 6 is for the owner, and owner is having read and write. Other 6 is for the group having read and write, and since last one is for the 4, so other user is having only read access, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So in that case, tell me what is the number for this one?
Mm. Mm. Can you once go back again?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So what
Yeah.
will be the number for this?
Mm. The first one will be 6,
Mhm.
from hyphen RW to hyphen, it will be 6, and
Okay.
then
Basically
only
says the this is 3 1, 3 for the owner. So owner is
yeah,
having 6.
yeah,
Then group,
4,
okay, and then you other
4
user
again,
4 again. So the number will be
14.
6. No, 6 4 4.
Mm.
Not add all 3. Only the first 3 will be added. Okay,
Okay.
first 3. So 4, it will never exit 7.
Mm.
Got it?
Mm.
So now if I'm changing the permission to 774, what does that
Mm.
mean?
Mm.
7 means
Mm. I mean, it should not exceed 7, right?
hmm.
Generally.
So what should be the meaning of 7?
Mm.
Which means owner is having all the rights. Read,
Okay.
write, and execute. Execute is having 1 now.
Mm-hmm.
So owner is having all 3 rights.
Mm.
Again, other 7 is for the group. So
Mm-hmm.
group is also having all the rights.
Yeah.
And the 4 is for the other user, and the other user are having only read access, the
Okay.
permission to read.
Mm-hmm.
Understood?
Yeah.
So let's do a small task.
Mm-hmm.
So this cloud.txt is having, what is the number? Permission number?
For the,
The one
I
that
mean,
I highlighted.
the dollar symbol.
Uh, Tell me the number. permission number for this cloud.txt file? So it is
It's
having
six.
RW
Yeah.
hyphen. So what, which means?
So it's oh sorry, 644.
Okay. What if I need read, write, and execute? So what will be the number?
Read, write, and execute is 6.
Hmm? Read,
No?
write is 6 and read, write, execute is also 6.
Okay. So,
If I
so
want,
mm,
go ahead.
read, write, and execute, is it 7?
Yes, it's 7. Again,
Mm.
for the other 3, I want only read and execute. So what will be the number?
Read, write, and execute.
Only read and execute.
Only read and execute.
Hmm.
Mm, I think it will be 5.
Correct.
Yeah.
Be confident.
Yeah.
And in this case, so first one was 7, other one is 5. And for this, I want read and write only. So what will be the number?
Mm. Read and write only.
Hmm.
Uh, I think it will be 6.
6. Be
Yeah.
confident. Correct answer.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do right now, you can see the number is 7, 5, and 6, right?
Yeah.
So I'll do sudo chmod. Then what was the number? 756, right? And
Mm.
cloud. Press enter.
Okay.
Now if I do ls hyphen la, see what happened to this one? Owner get all 3 right?
Hmm.
Correct? Earlier it was only read and write. Now it got read, write, and execute. Why? Because we have given first number as 7. Correct?
Yeah.
Then the other part was 5, which means read and only execute. So you can see he got group got read and execute only. And then other user should have the right of read and write. And for that we wrote 6. So that's why the other user got RW hyphen. Means read, write, not execute. Got it?
Hmm.
Yeah, practice this one. Most oftenly this is being asked. If somebody
Yeah.
says that if any file is having the access of 777, what does that mean?
Hmm.
Can
Correct.
anyone access this file?
I don't think so.
Why don't you think so?
Uh, because it should not like exceed 7.
So it's not exceeding 7. Na? For owner, it is not exceeding 7. For
Okay,
group, it
so
is not exceeding 7.
it will
Hmm.
be read, write, and execute.
So can anyone access this file?
Yeah.
Correct.
Mm.
If it is 777, which means open to all, anyone can come and access it.
Mm.
And if it is mm, 200, what does that mean?
Then it will be read slash sorry hyphen hyphen.
Which means only readable file.
Yeah.
This file, and who can read?
Owner, right?
Owner. Correct.
Yeah.
Understood. Very
Yeah.
good. So if again any file is having this one, you want to convert into other way, like 664, you can do it chmod 664 and the file name. Okay. So always remember, if any key is there, key is only for read, right?
Hmm.
So that's why it is 4 and rest is 0. So you do not want anyone can come and access your read one. read any secret key. So it should always have the permission of 400. Got it?
Hmm.
If any directory you will create, by default, the directory will be having the permission of 755, which means read and execute, read and execute, read and execute. Same with the file. By default, if you create any file, the file will be having the permission of read and write, only read and read.
Hmm.
Good.
Yeah.
Commonly asked. So that's all about file permission. I hope you understood this part.
Yeah.
Okay. You just need a little bit practice over there. Okay.
Okay.
Then okay. What is the meaning of PWD? If you write PWD, it will tell you the current present working directory. The full form is present working directory. So it will tell you where you are currently, the location of your path. Okay.
Okay.
Then what is the meaning of ls-la?
L it will show the all the directories, right?
All the directories, all the file and directories along with the hidden one, plus their
Hmm.
permission too, what
Hmm.
permission they are having. And if it
Hmm.
is df-h, so we have not dealt with them. So if anytime if you think that disk space is getting full, like
Hmm.
sometime it happens, C drive get full, D drive get full. But in Linux, to identify that one, you just need df-h, very famous command. In this way,
Okay.
size is 4 MB, used is 0, available is 4 MB. Okay. And this is directory wise. So you can see
Hmm.
this directory size is 3.8 GB. How much is
Hmm.
used? Only 3.32 MB. And how much is available? 3.8 MB is almost available. GB is almost available. So only 1% is used. So in this way, if you ever see used is equal to the available, which means used is full, available is 0. It means the memory is full. Here it will show you 100%. It means the memory is full. Got it?
Hmm. Hmm.
Very famous command.
Hmm.
Then df-sh dot. Check how much space this directory itself take. It means if you have any directory and how much directory, that's the one that you are working with. Df-sh hyphen dot. So you can see this is our the current directory on which we are working, and only 1% data it is 1% size it is using, and it is mounted over home directory. Our directory test is inside home directory. Okay. Using the usage percentage, you can easily find out how much percent is used. If it is 100%, it means no memory is left. Got it?
Yeah.
Right. And then tree happens, see all the directories in tree format. So if you, even if I do just tree, it will tell you directory under directory. Like inside A, there is B, inside B, there is C. I don't need to go inside and check how many directories are there. Just using the tree command, I can figure out. Okay.
Okay.
And then we have the two other files as well. -L, let me check this command. So this will tell you up to the 2 level. Okay, means inside one and then again one. That's it. The third one it won't show you. It won't show you. If I do 3, then it will show you the third one as well. Okay. So this is choice based, but if you want to know exact the size of exact in each folder how many folder are there, just do the tree command. Okay, and below also it will write 2 directories, 2 file, 3 directories, 2 file. Okay. Now, furthermore, things get more complicated. So you want to use it till here, or shall I proceed? You want to practice till here, or shall I proceed?
Yeah, I think I'll practice, but still, if it that's fine if you like proceed because I'm free today.
Okay.
Yeah.
So to find, if you want to find any file name, just use the command find. Okay.
Mm.
For example, this one. If this file exists, then it will show. So this file doesn't seems to be existing
Mm.
with the name of database config. But if you have any file which contain this one, then it will show. Can you tell me all the
Mm.
files config file is stored under which directory?
All the files?
All the config file are stored under which directory? It's hard to remember.
LS?
No. Which directory? Which means all configuration files are stored under etc folder.
Okay.
These are related to database. So when we'll be having the database, we'll use this one.
Okay.
Okay. df-h, what is the meaning? We just did it.
Mm. Yeah.
Basically, it shows the how much space is left per directory. Okay. If you want to check how much space is taken by, find the biggest directory under var file, var folder. So
Mm.
if you want to find the biggest one, du is the command.
Mm.
Then which folder? Var folder. So /var. Okay.
Okay.
Maximum depth is 2, which means up to 2 folder it will check. Short by
Okay.
-rh, right hand side, right hand shorted. Head is 20. It means 20 is shows the depth actually. How much depth you need. You can make it 10, 5, anything. If I just copy this one. So what it is showing? A lot of places you will see the permission denied. Why? Any idea?
Mm.
So we said head 20 means 20 file it will show first. Okay. If you start counting from here, it will show 20, which are readable. Then
Mm.
after, so this is shorting. Basically, it shows from the main directory to the least directory, least taking size. So this is the least one, right? 28 KB. It took the size of 28 KB. But the highest
Mm.
size has been taken by 959 MB, which is the var file itself, var folder itself.
Mm.
Then du is basically for the you're finding the, what do we find with du? Size.
Mm.
Okay. Under which folder? So the question could be like this one. Walk walk me through your complete response. Okay. The scenario is like your var/log directory is consuming 95% of the disk spaces on the root partition, causing the application to fail. इसके application fail हो रहा है. You need to identify the biggest log file, safely free space, and prevent this from happening. So your task is to find the biggest log file, delete it or replace it somewhere else, and release the space. So first of all, you will check, is the crisis there or not? Means you check the disk size. Okay. Once you find the disk size, df-h. If I do df-h, So I'll check, is it really consuming the space? I'll just see the use percentage. I can't see anything. But if it is there, like if someone is 95%, then I'll deal with that one.
Okay.
And if it is war file, I'll figure out the war. I can change to any, it's not necessary that you do on war. I can do on home too. So this is our home directory.
Okay.
Couple of them having the permission denied. If you ever face this one permission denied, what you will do, just go to place and make it available. Do 777. So you won't see permission denied. 777 means available for everyone.
Okay.
Okay. Then couple of more thing is there, but we'll keep it till here. Okay. Once you get
Okay.
comfortable with this one, then we'll proceed with the further.
Okay. Yeah.
Permission part, we have looked into that one.
Hmm.
CHMOD and 775. What is the meaning of 775?
Read, write, and execute. Like it's
For owner, it's read, write, and execute. For group also,
yeah.
it's read, write, and execute. And 5 is for
Uh, it's for all the readers groups and
read and only execute, not the write permission.
okay. Okay.
Once you'll be comfortable, then we can proceed with the further things. You will understand it. What is the
Okay.
use of cat command?
So cat CAT, like it's basically it's used for creating a file.
Reading a file.
Okay. And also
Cat,
I think yeah,
it's
combining the
only
file.
for reading. Okay.
Okay.
What is the use of vim command?
VIM. Uh
So vim,
actually
either it is vim, vi,
mm,
or nano.
okay.
All three are editors. Okay.
Mm,
Means you can create the file and write something inside the file.
mm,
I can and txt. See, it gave me the place to write. I'm not going to write anything right now. Even if I do vi and I'll create pan.txt. See, again, I got the editor. I can write anything. Okay.
mm,
And even if I do nano hello.txt, again, I got the editor, but it looks pretty different, right?
yeah.
You can write whatever you want. And then if you want to exit, here is Control X. Okay.
Okay.
Just type Control X. Yes. And is the option name of the file is right? You got the exit. Okay. If I do cat, hello, I can see this XX. So this is how we do it. All the different editors along with the other commands that we have covered. So I would say practice till here. Once you will be comfortable, we can proceed with a further little bit advanced command. Okay.
Yeah.
More, these commands will be more asked in the interviews.
Mm,
Okay.
okay.
So I'll be asking questions too. Once till here, I'll upload this one. Okay.
Okay.
Once you'll be covered, then we'll cover this part, everything. Okay, and I'll
Okay.
provide you this document afterwards.
Mm.